Search-based YouTube is one of my favorite ways to make money online, and I'll tell you why. With search-based YouTube, you are able to put in work up front. So for an example, let's just say you put in 1 year's worth of work into your search-based channel, and then what that allows you to do is continue to get views, continue to get revenue, even though you don't even upload that many videos anymore. But the goal is to always upload videos. But the nice thing about search-based YouTube is that if you decide that you want to take a break, you can, and your views and your revenue won't be affected. You can stop posting for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and your views will remain the same and your revenue will remain relatively the same. If you try to do the same thing on a browse-based channel, then it's going to be very difficult to maintain your views and your income if YouTube decides that they don't want to push your videos anymore. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a search-based channel tutorial for beginners so that you can start your own search-based channel and succeed in 2024. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that you need to do when it comes to starting your search-based channel is to decide on a niche that you want to do your search-based channel in. I'm just on YouTube right now and I'm on this channel right here. But basically you can do a search-based channel in any niche that you want to. This is like the social media how-to apps niche. You can see all these various videos like how to remove an admin from Facebook page, how to update iOS software easier. So you'll be able to do these types of videos, and these are really easy to make, and it's a very beginner friendly model, this exact niche. But don't get me wrong, you can go to the search bar and you can basically type in how to, and then you can do a search-based channel in any niche that you want. So for an example, if you're good at drawing, you could do how to draw and then various different keywords, and then you can do a search-based channel on that. You can do how to make money online, how to make pancakes. If you want to do a cooking channel, that can absolutely be done. The reason why I show these how-to apps types of channels in my videos is because I have a same channel in this niche, so it's very easy for me to demonstrate. But if you have expertise in some other niche, then you can absolutely do a search-based channel in that niche. So if you want to do your search-based channel, you will need a few things like tools and stuff that can get you started with your search-based channel. But I'll just show you. So this is a channel called WebWiz. You can see almost 2,000 subscribers. And the thing with these types of channels in this niche, you will need to create quite a few videos. So you can see this channel's made 980 videos on his channel. Here's another one, another smaller channel, also almost 2,000 subscribers, 1.1k videos. Okay, so you can see similar thing, how to make email address in Shopee, how to use Google Pay in Shopee. Things of that nature, very easy to be able to create these videos. So the way that you would basically find these different topics to be able to make videos on is using the search bar method to be able to come up with these different types of keywords. With a search-based channel, you basically have unlimited keywords that you can do, because if you type how to and you just like say copy, you can see all these auto suggestions that do pop up, and you can do how to add, even more how to send. Now I have done a full tutorial, it's a 20-minute tutorial on exactly the process I use with this search bar method that's going to allow you to get unlimited keywords in any niche for your search-based channel. To get that tutorial, what I'll do is I'll link it at the end of this video. I'll also leave it in the description down below, but it's this video right here that I created, the previous video that I created, how to find searchable topics for YouTube videos. This is, if you follow that video, that's the exact process that I use to be able to find unlimited keywords for my search-based channels, and that's exactly the method that I used. I leave no stone left unturned. Okay, so that's how you find those videos. So I won't go into that, how to do it in this video. Just watch that video and then you'll be all caught up. Then basically, once you found your topics, you have to start creating these videos. Now there's two different ways that you can actually get these videos done. The first way is to do the videos yourself, and then the second way is to actually outsource these different types of videos. So if you would like to start your channel and get a feel for it, then you can create the videos yourself. But if you have a budget starting out, then you can outsource the videos, and then you don't have to create the videos yourself. So I'll go over the first method of creating them yourself. You can use, if you're doing like desktop tutorials, like screen sharing on your desktop, you can use this software called OBS Studio. It's 100% free to use the screen recorder. It's actually what I'm using to record my screen right now is OBS. You can get it on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and that's exactly how you can record your screen for desktop type tutorials. Then if you want to learn how to actually set the software up and screen record, you can go onto YouTube and you can type how to record screen with OBS. And basically you can watch this video right here from Guide Realm, how to record screen with OBS full studio. Okay, it's a 4-minute video that'll get you all set up and be able to start recording your screen. Now, as you can see in these different types of videos, if I just click onto one of these videos real quick.
Hey guys, today let's learn how to...
You can see in this specific video, because with this niche, you're going to be also doing a lot of phone videos, doing your screen recording on the phone. So you can see he's recording his screen on the phone. So if you have an Android device, then you can use this screen recorder right here called AZ Recorder. And this is going to allow you to record your screen on your phone and be able to create these videos like this. So that's AZ Screen Recorder. Now, a lot of Androids nowadays, if you have a newer type of Android, they do have a built-in screen recorder. It's basically just going to depend on your specific Android that you have. So I highly recommend this app, AZ Recorder. You can see it's 50 million plus downloads, really good. And you can download that on your Android. If you're using an iPhone to create these videos, you can basically use the built-in screen recorder. So basically you go to settings, you open the control center on your phone looking like this, and you can see this button right there at the bottom. That's the record button. It looks like that. So you just hit that and you can record your screen on iPhone. Now, once you've created the videos, now to keep in mind that it's going to take you a little bit of practice to be able to get good at creating these videos. You will need to practice, maybe make 30 or 40 videos and then get a feel for it, and then you're going to start getting faster and faster at doing the videos. You're going to get better at speaking on the videos, and it's just going to be much better. After around 20 or 30 videos, you're going to be pretty good at it. Okay, so once you've created your videos and you've got all the files on your laptop, then you need to be able to edit these types of videos so that you can upload them onto YouTube. So when I talk about editing these types of videos, I'm not talking about adding fancy graphics and all that stuff, fancy titles on the screen and fancy sound effects and all that stuff. You don't need any of that if you're creating videos like this. You just basically need to cut out all the mistakes that you made in the video. So basically if you fumbled your words or something, you just want to cut out that specific portion of the video, and you need a video editor to do that. But good news is you don't have to pay for any sort of video editors. You can use this one right here called OpenShot. And this is a 100% free video editor. You can basically input your files into OpenShot and then just cut out any sort of mistakes. I'll give you 2 more resources for video editors in case you don't want to use OpenShot, and that is CapCut PC, and you can also edit these videos on your phone, but I highly recommend that you do it on the laptop. And then the second one would be DaVinci Resolve that you can use to edit your video. So CapCut PC and DaVinci Resolve will get the job done. Okay, so that's if you want to do the videos yourself. Now, if you want to outsource the videos, I'm going to be doing a full video coming up soon on exactly how you can outsource your videos. But I'll just briefly explain it in this video. I want to go over mainly how to do the videos yourself, because I know a lot of people actually want to do that. But if you're doing the videos outsourced, then you will need to use this tool called Trello. And basically what Trello allows you to do is to create a workspace that everyone in your team is going to be able to access. So basically you put in the video topics here, and then the thumbnail designer knows exactly which video thumbnails he needs to create, and then the video creator knows exactly what he needs to do when it comes to the topics. Okay, so you download this Trello, and once again I'm doing a full Trello tutorial coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. But just download the software and so long input your keywords into the Trello board and then have them ready. And then you will need to find freelancers who can create these videos for you. Now, to be able to find these freelancers who can make these videos for you, I use personally is Upwork. And like I said, I'm doing a full outsourcing video coming up soon. But you basically want to use Upwork, and you can log in here and then basically create a job listing, and then tell them that what you want them to do. So if it's the video creator, tell them you need quick and short social media videos created, and you're going to be paying around $2 per video, and then just write a description. But and then just write a description of exactly what sort of videos you need to be created. And then you want to put an example video in your job listing so they know which types of videos they are, and you can use any sort of video from a competitor. Now, don't put your videos in there because you don't want to be destroying your channel analytics. But basically, you would use Upwork to find the freelancers, and then how to communicate with these freelancers is basically you use another software called Slack. And Slack is like a messaging platform similar to WhatsApp, but it's like for business. And this is going to allow you to communicate effectively with all your freelancers. So if you have a video creator, a thumbnail designer, a video uploader, those 3 freelancers can all communicate with you in the Slack channel, and it's just going to be a seamless process. That way you can separate your personal messages from your business messages, and it's just so much easier that way. So that's the tutorial on exactly how to start search-based YouTube channel in 2024. One of my favorite ways to be able to make money online. Now, like I said, if you want to learn my full in-depth keyword research method, then go ahead and watch this video right here. And if you got value out of this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.